Nature and scope of management. Unit 1. Meaning of management. It is a universal process in all organized social and economic activities. Wherever there is human activity, there is management. କାମକୁ ଠିକ୍ ଭାବରେ ଯୋଜନା କରି ଲୋକଙ୍କୁ ନେଇ କାମ ସମ୍ପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ କରିବାକୁ ମ୍ୟାନେଜମେଣ୍ଟ କୁହାଯାଏ। Characteristics of management. Management is goal-oriented process. Management is pervasive. Management is a continuous process. Management is a group activity. It is a dynamic function. Management is intangible. Management is composite process. Management is multidimensional. Balancing effectiveness and efficiency.